This video is powered by Softzenith, experts in building websites, mobile apps, and desktop applications for businesses and startups. Get free software engineering training right here on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and invite your friends to learn with us. For dedicated one-on-one or premium courses, visit www.softzenith.com/courses to get started.
How the internet works, from browsers to servers. Welcome to the internet. Hey everyone, welcome to our tech classroom. Today, we're going to break down something you use every day, the internet. From typing in a website to seeing it load, how does all that magic happen behind the scenes? Let's find out. What is the internet? The internet is like a giant spider web that connects computers all over the world. It lets you send emails, watch YouTube, scroll TikTok, or Google anything in seconds. It's a global network of computers talking to each other. Have you subscribed to our channel yet? Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss an update. The role of a browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari. When you want to visit a website, you open a browser like Chrome or Safari. Think of the browser as your digital car. You type in the address, and it drives you to the website you want. What happens when you type a website? Let's say you type www.softzenith.com. Your browser first checks with something called the DNS, like a phone book, to find a real address of that website, called an IP address. The internet routes your request. Once your browser gets the IP address, it sends a request across the internet, jumping through wires, satellites, and data centers to reach the server that holds a website. What is a server? A server is like a big, powerful computer that stores websites. When your request reaches a server, it says, you want softzenith.com. Here's the homepage, and send the data back to you. Data travels back to you. The website data, text, images, videos, travels back to your browser in tiny pieces called packets. Your browser puts them all together and shows you the website. Have you subscribed to our channel yet? Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss an update. HTTPS and security. When you see https:// at the start of a web address, that means your connection is secure. It uses encryption, like secret codes, to protect your data, especially on sites with passwords or payments. Real-life example, ordering pizza online. Imagine you're hungry and order pizza online. You open your browser, go to pizza.com. The DNS finds the server, and the server sends back the menu. You choose, pay, and the server confirms. That's the internet in action. Outro wrapping up. And that's how the internet works. From browser to server and back. It's like a digital highway full of smart connections. Now that you know what's happening behind the scenes, you're one step closer to becoming a tech pro. Thanks for watching. If you're looking to build powerful apps, websites, or tech solutions at scale, or you want to level up your IT skills, reach out to Softzenith. Visit softzenith.com or message them on WhatsApp at +23 4702 511 5425. Empower your business. Build with Softzenith. Rock it. Have a question or thought? Drop them in the comments section. We'd love to hear from you.